Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Heather and this is Supply Junkie, and I moved on to my A5, my Hobonichi cousin, my daily. So what I use the daily for is I use it as a journal. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Let's get my first pages ready. I think, there we go. And then I also fill this out daily as I go, and it's worked really good. This last week. And I'm excited to have more room because I used an A6 last year for my journal. And it worked fine, and there just wasn't quite enough room, so I like this better. And I did a lot of like tip-ins and added writing room and stuff, but I haven't needed to do that yet for this. Not saying that there's not a day that I want to write more. But so far, I've been good. Oop, I dropped that. And I would suggest, just to anybody that's thinking about making their own kits, definitely get the matte removable paper. This paper that I use is from, I believe it's Online Labels. That's where I got this paper, but I love it because you do something like that, you can lift it right up without tearing your paper. And that is crooked again. I just feel worn down with this bug. And we have guinea pigs, and we have 6 of them now because one of our guinea pigs was a surprise boy guinea pig, not a girl guinea pig. I'd said in another video, my daughter rescued them out at a fair because they were in a cage and there was a demolition derby going on, and the poor things were in the back just covered in dirt, and she couldn't leave them there. And I think we have all our animals that way, that we've taken in and given them forever homes. But the one female guinea pig, she had 2 babies, and we have another female that is ready to burst any day now. She's pretty big, so I'm not sure how many babies she's gonna have, but I think it's more than 2. If I had to guess, it's more than 2. So I've been making new cage liners and stuff, making sure she's comfortable, but they set off my allergies with the Timothy hay that we feed them, and just their dander in general, because I'm allergic to cats and stuff. But over time I get used to them, and they have just been bugging me something awful this last week. I've been taking Benadryl, and so I don't know if it's on top of the cold that I have, that it's just making it worse or what, but they are kicking my bum. But the 2 babies were born on the 20th, so they have about almost a month left till we can find them forever homes, and they're super cute. They're so cute. Got kind of a little guinea pig zoo going on. We bought them new cages, bigger cages, so they had plenty of room to run around, and I made fleece liners for their cages, and they're just happy little spoiled guinea pigs. I cannot seem to get this one laid down right today. Okay. And I like this digital artwork that I found for this week, because it's past Christmas, but we're still winter, and it's always hard. I'm like, what do you do for those days? So this is soft and not just bold in your face blizzard, which is probably what I should have used, but we have a lot of snow coming in. I already had the 8th on my thumb. My daughter's birthday is in the beginning of February, and she will be turning 19. So her and I are going to do kind of a little road trip, shopping trip for her birthday, but I need to get on it and get planning it and figuring out where we're going to go and hotel rooms and what we're going to do there. Normally I would have that all done by now, but I have been procrastinating, especially this in December. Like I said, I got that bug, and it has been lingering for, say, a good 3 weeks, maybe longer now. And I don't know if any of you have gotten this cold that's going around. But my flu shot did not protect me this year. At least I guess it protected me from the one strain. But I always tease my kids. I'm like, what are you guys doing, licking lockers? I'm like, you know, just bring me homeschool cooties all the time. And my immune system, with just medical reasons, is weak anyway. So I always try to be cautious, you know, sanitizer, washing hands, Lysol, anything we can do to try to prevent it, but you just can't prevent them all. Oh, you know what? I did not put my days of the week on this one. And I always go back or I'll edit and I realize, oh, I totally forgot to put the day on this one, or I forgot to put the bottom washi on this one. So I'm trying to get better about making sure each page is done before I flip it. And I always catch it during the week when I'm using it, but okay. So we're going to do pink. So we're going to switch the next bottom washi out for a different one. And I love this tree pattern. It's just so cute. And around where I live, with the snow, all the skiing hills are open, and although I will go sit at the lodge while everybody skis. That is how I go skiing. I enjoy hot tea or coffee while everybody else is skiing, instead of chancing breaking something. since I have gone through some treatments, my body's more fragile, so I just don't chance it anymore. Hi, Luna. My daughter's cat is saying hello. What, baby? She's checking what I am doing. She's so funny because she'll stay in the back room with my daughter. She stays in my closet. She's kind of taken over my closet. But she'll stay back there for a little bit and then come out and see what you're doing. Or if you go to the potty, she comes out of my walk-in closet and it's got to love on you. But otherwise, she won't let you touch her. She is one of those cats that if she says it's okay to pet her, then you may pet her, but you don't know how many pets you're going to get in there before she decides to bite your hand or get annoyed with you. She is really a sweetheart. It's just one of her, just more of a passive cat, not like my cat Charlie. He comes inside and wants to lay on you and love and purr and he likes that human attention, where Luna's not so much. She wants to make sure where you're at so she can keep an eye on you. She just doesn't want you touching her. Well, that's okay. Leave it. And so far, this has worked out pretty good for me. I can put, you know, my daily wake-ups, and up here, I can put my daily goals and just kind of fill out what I did today, me time, quotes. So it's worked out pretty good so far. Oh, I still have Sunday to do. I almost forgot Sunday entirely. And we have the AMC A-List, or the Movie Pass, where you can see 3 movies a week. And my little one wants to go to the movies this week, so definitely going to get her use out of that this week. With everybody off and on getting sick since Thanksgiving, we haven't used it a whole lot. We've only seen a couple movies, which, with what we've seen, we still paid for the monthly, got our money's worth out of it, but it's especially nice in the summertime when it's super hot and you want to get out of the house, but it's too hot outside, so go sit in the air conditioner at the movies and cools down some. We'll go to the lake, go swimming, stuff like that. So it works really good in the summertime. And wintertime's nice too, just, you know, so you don't become winter hobbits. Get you out of the house a little bit more. Put in my 11. And that is the layout for my journal this week. So I will fill it out this evening. I tend to fill them out in the evening. Normally I already have the morning goals done, but and then I just fill it out during the week as I go, and it's working out great. So I will see you guys later on with my A6 daily and weekly. I use that one more for like daily planning and like my filming and stuff like that. So I will be back with that later on. But until then, you guys have a good one. Bye.